We were shocked that the home care pilot programs were paused, but at the same time, we did notice that there were quite a few changes happening with the immigration programs over the last couple of years.
Isang regulated Canadian immigration consultant sa British Columbia, si Christy Lane Tidy. Nagulat raw ang staff sa kanilang opisina nang narinig nilang desisyong pag-pause o pansamantalang pag-antala ng IRCC o Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada sa home care worker immigration pilot programs. Mula noong 2019 hanggang 2025, naging opsyon para sa mga pumapasok na home caregiver sa Canada na mag-apply para sa PR o permanent residency gamit ang kanilang restricted open work permits o mga work permits sa Canada na para lamang sa trabaho sa home child care o home support ng mga matatanda o mga may kapansanan.
By initiating programs that you could come into Canada directly as a permanent resident through this caregiver pathway, one of the advantages was that, of course, coming in as a permanent resident now helped to kind of reduce the time of waiting inside of Canada to process that application, which in the past had to be done as a separate process.
Pero ang madalas daw na reklamo sa mga home care workers immigration pilot programs ang mabagal na pagproseso. Ayon sa IRCC, dahil sa mataas na demand, ang interest para sa mga pilot programs na ito lumalagpas sa mga inilaang available spaces na nagiging dahilan sa matagal na wait times.
And because of these longer wait times, it also meant that the need for care would sometimes change over time. And so, for example, those that were looking to hire a caregiver under the home support pathway for elderly, unfortunately, we have witnessed personally that there were some employers that sadly passed away in the middle of that process.
Ang hakbang na ito ng IRCC para raw matutukan nila ang pagproseso sa mga existing na mga aplikasyon at pati na rin maibaba ang imigrasyon sa bansa sa mga level na anilay mas sustainable.
And we are now looking at it might be a little bit more difficult for them to enter Canada as a caregiver and to address this urgent need for those employers that are in Canada waiting for them.
Kahit may pause sa pagtanggap ng mga bagong aplikasyon, patuloy raw ang pagproseso ng IRCC sa mga nakabinbin ng aplikasyon sa home care worker immigration pilot programs.
Hope that the program will, resume again once they have cleared up that backlog.
Dagdag pa ng IRCC, hindi magbubukas na rin ang kanilang 2026 March pilot program intake. Teresa Barrera, Omni News, Vancouver.